Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to install Gnome Tweaks. As you know that when you install this Ubuntu, by default it will not come, so you need to install that. And the biggest question is why we need this Gnome Tweaks. So first of all, just I let you know that if you want system wise dark mode, you want to change this position of this navigation bar to bottom or right hand side, there are lots of functionalities inbuilt in that Gnome Tweaks, so you can control your desktop appearance and lots of stuff. So in this video basically we are going to install that Gnome Tweaks, and once we install that, in upcoming videos I will tell you what are the functionality and how can you make your desktop more appealing and more user friendly. You just need to go on Ubuntu software and type here Tweaks. So it will show us the option of that Gnome Tweaks. So you can see that the rating is also 5 out of 5. So it is very useful. So this is software and we need to install that software. So just hit this install button and it will take some time as per your internet speed. Once it downloaded, you can ready to use this software, and it depend upon your internet speed how much it take time. So as you can see, the internet speed is good, so it install very soon. So now launch this Gnome Tweaks. Once you launch this, it will come up with options like appearance, desktop, extension. So in upcoming videos we are going to use that Tweaks and enable this thing, enable lots of things with this software. And one more thing, sometime when you install that Ubuntu and you will find that your right button is not working as a primary. So when you right click from your mouse or laptop trackpad, you will find that no option is there. So these kind of I think it's not bug, but these kind of things can be fixed with this Tweaks. So let's see what we can do with this Tweaks in upcoming videos. So this is how you can install Gnome Tweaks. And watching this video, thank you so much. And if you like, please comment, subscribe channel and share with your friends, and that will be the great motivation for me to making such another videos. So thank you so much.